Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts. Try again later. Do you know how to fix or how to solve too many attempts? Try again later. Should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Roblox, and you can click. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again, as you see here. So please don't forget to support us by liking this.